Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of allowing someone to send video messages in a Telegram group chat. If you're an admin and want to grant this permission to a specific member, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon either on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Now, navigate to the group chat where you want to grant the ability to send video messages. Remember, this will only work if you're an admin and the person you're unmuting is not muted. Step 3. Tap on the group's name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group settings. Step 4. Once you're in the group settings, scroll down to the members section. Here you'll find a list of all the members in the group. Step 5. Tap and hold on the member whom you want to allow to send video messages. A menu will appear with various options. Step 6. From the menu, select User's Permissions. This will open the user's permission settings. Step 7. Inside the user's permission settings, locate the Media option. Tap on the arrow icon next to it to expand the menu. Step 8. Finally, enable the Send Video Messages option by tapping on it. This will grant the selected member the ability to send video messages in the group chat. By following these steps, you can easily allow someone to send video messages in a Telegram group chat, promoting more interactive and engaging conversations within the group. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.